The present perfect continuous tense is a crucial aspect of English grammar, especially when discussing ongoing experiences and actions. For beginner ESL students looking to describe their experiences as a barista, mastering this tense is important. Let's explore how this tense can be used in the context of working as a barista. The present perfect continuous tense is formed by using have, has been, the present participle, verb ing. It is used to show that an action started in the past and is still continuing at the present moment. This tense is perfect for describing ongoing experiences, such as working in a coffee shop, and for example, a sentence like, "I have been preparing delicious beverages for customers all morning," showcases that the action of preparing drinks has been ongoing from the past until now. Here are some more examples of how the present perfect continuous tense can be used in the context of being a barista. I have been serving customers since the early hours. Mary has been making latte art for the past hour. We have been cleaning the espresso machine for the last few minutes. The team has been tasting the new coffee blend all week. By using the present perfect continuous tense, beginner ESL students can effectively convey their ongoing experiences as baristas. It helps to indicate that the action started in the past and is still occurring in the present, making their descriptions more vivid and accurate. In conclusion, the present perfect continuous tense is an essential tool for beginner ESL students to describe their experiences working as baristas. By mastering this tense and using it in context, students can effectively communicate their ongoing activities and actions in the coffee shop. With practice and familiarity, students will become more confident in using this tense to share their barista experiences.